Welcome to the Friends of Medieval Dublin's virtual walking tour of medieval Dublin. This video is about Dundrum Castle in County Dublin by Dr Áine Foley.
Hello, my name is Áine Foley and I'm a medieval historian and a friend of medieval Dublin. And today we're going to be talking about Dundrum Castle. This castle dates to around 1590, but excavations done in the 1980s confirmed that this was the second castle on the site. The first was built in the 13th century, not long after the English invasion of Ireland. However, there was probably some sort of defensive structure here before the English came. Dundrum literally means fort on the ridge, and the castle looks down into a small river valley. The Fitzwilliams held the castle during the medieval period. The family lived here until 1790, when it fell into ruins. In more recent times, David Newman Johnson, a friend of medieval Dublin, took over ownership of the site.